Yet another beautiful day in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, it doesn't matter what you're looking at, it is up right now. Take a look at Ethereum. It has been on an absolute run after breaking those moving averages, throwing green line after green line after green line on the screen, and it is showing no signs of slowing down. As a matter of fact, we are getting ready to test that $4,000 per coin mark, which has proven to be some very strong resistance in the past. Guys, if we break that, we could very well be hitting a new all-time high, and altcoin season could explode. Now, you see all the green on the screen right now. It is a beautiful sight to see, but look at this. Somehow we're still sitting here at a level of 67. Traders aren't even greedy yet. They're sitting there. Just a couple ticks into a greedy situation. We have not even entered extreme greed. We have got so much room to run, and altcoin season is here. We're going to talk a little bit more about it in this video. We're going to be talking about token 6900 in this video because as altcoins are preparing for essentially a 5x increase to $5 trillion, we need to take advantage of every single opportunity. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, as capital rotation from Bitcoin hints at an accelerating altcoin season with liquidity, stablecoin inflows, and market structure all aligning for a major breakout. This is a huge sign. It is a huge positive, and all of the indicators are pointing to more gains. Now, guys, right now, what we're preparing for, let's just take a look at the market caps real quick. A $3.95 trillion, almost a $4 trillion cryptocurrency market cap, and things are looking very, very good. The Fear and Greed Index, sitting at, I think it's 67. Update that. Sitting at a level of 67 greed. We're nowhere near extreme greed yet. And here's what analysts are expecting, okay? The total 2 market cap, that's Bitcoin excluded from all the other cryptocurrencies, has hit $1.5 trillion for the first time since January. Exchanges have received over $1.7 billion in stablecoin inflows this week, and analysts think the positioning is towards altcoins. Total 3, which excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, is roughly, it's roughly a little over 1 trillion. It's like 1.1, 1.2 trillion, right? It's eyeing a $5 trillion market cap. That means that across the board, we would expect 5x increases. Now, clearly, we could see 5x increases in things like XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, the larger ones. But when you start to trickle down into the smaller meme coins, guys, that's where the real rotation begins. The same way we're witnessing a rotation right now. Bitcoin doing very well at $119,000. Investors beginning to rotate into altcoins. This is altcoin season beginning. You can see that here. This is what we have prepared for the last 4 years. I hope you have not gone anywhere, and I hope you have stuck to your plan because the moment is upon us. The game has begun. It is showtime. And then we see a rotation into meme coins. I want to show you something real quick before we jump into that token 6900. Right now, meme coins, okay? Meme coins are sitting at search volume at a level of 29. The all-time highs were when Trump and other coins were running at the end of 2024 into the beginning of 2025. We hit an all-time high peak search volume of 100. I don't know why my cursor's not hitting it. But anyway, 100 in this area right here in January of 2025. Check out altcoins right now. Okay? Altcoins and altcoin season, guys, expected to explode to new all-time highs. We're not talking about touching all-time highs. We are here at all-time highs, and we're expected to explode well beyond essentially a 5x increase of anything 4x increase of anything that altcoins have ever seen before. Now is the time. This is the altcoin season that we have been waiting for. Guys, you have to act on this, okay? You have to act on this. And with that, yes, I am buying. You guys know this by now. I have Ethereum, I've got XRP, I've got BNB, I've got Solana. I do have Tether and USDC as well, but those don't go up. I've got some Dogecoin, not a lot. No Cardano. I've got Tron, no Hyperliquid, very little Stellar Lumens, SUI, no Chainlink. I have a very diverse portfolio of altcoins and meme coins. One of the tokens that I have added is token 6900. These guys are about to cross $1 million sold, and they have a tiny little $5 million market cap. Okay? Tiny little $5 million market cap that could explode higher as soon as we rotate from altcoins into meme coins. Because as you see here, altcoin season is expected to just blow by any of the previous highs. And meme coins, guys, then we rotate into memes. And memes could make this giant spike here look tiny. That's the type of a bull market that we are setting upon. And if that's the case, we have to be invested. We cannot let this pass us by. Do you want to wait until the next cycle? Do you want to wait until 2030, 2040? No, you do not want to wait until then. So I get in now. Yes, it is a risk. I get that. I am taking a risk by buying token 6900. I'm taking a risk by buying anything. But I believe I'd be taking a bigger risk if I did not buy. Think about that. I've watched it in 2017. I've watched it in 2021. I'm watching it in 2025. If I do not act, I cannot change. I cannot earn, and I cannot gain. To me, that is a much larger risk than going out there, buying what I can afford to buy, and watching it absolutely rip. Guys, all of the signs are aligning. Token 6900 is a meme coin. Absolutely. But with that, it's very easy to buy. They're not providing any utility, but they could see some explosive gains when we see that rotation into extreme greed and into meme coin season. You scan that QR code after clicking that link in the description below, type in how much you want, and these tokens are yours to claim on launch day. I'm prepared. I want to know if you guys are prepared. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.